Hi everybody, good afternoon. Today not feeling like making too many things, so I am going to make tofu mushroom fried rice, and I will make it in such a way that there is no need to add any gravy or any curds or anything. You can have it as it is. So let us begin with the method and the process. Take 2 cups of long grain rice, basmati rice, any brand that you use in the house, and soak it in water. Wash it thoroughly, then soak it. Now take 7 to 8 pieces of garlic and cut them into small pieces. 2 onions chopped, and chop the mushrooms and tofu into small pieces. Now let us begin. Now the ingredients that I require to make this rice is I need 2 cups of rice, long grain rice, which I have soaked in water for half an hour, washed and soaked it. Then I have chopped some mushrooms and tofu into small bits, and then I have taken onion, garlic, which I have chopped thin slices and small pieces, and for the base I am going to add, to give it a nice taste and make it so tasty that you don't need any gravy, I am adding red chilies 7 to 8 as per taste, little bit of mungfali ke dane, tamarind paste, and coconut, fresh coconut I am going to grind it to paste and add 1 tablespoon of that also. And I am going to bake all this in desi ghee. So let us begin with the process. Take 1 tablespoon of cow ghee, desi ghee, and let it heat up. When it melts, you can add garlic pieces and then stir fry them for 2 minutes and then add the onion slices. Roast garlic till it's turning brown. Now add the onions to this. These are 2 small sized onions which I have sliced. Now fry this also until it turns light brown. Both the garlic as well as the onion is well roasted. Now I am going to add 2 pieces of tej patta, javitri and star anise seed. I have ground to paste red chilies 4 to 5, 1 small piece of coconut, fresh coconut, and I have ground this to paste, and 2 to 3 pieces of curry patta. And I have added 1 tablespoon of groundnut also, kachi mungfali, and I have ground all this to paste. Now I will add this to the masala. Roast this for 2 to 3 minutes so that it blends with the onions and the garlic. Add salt, red chili powder and dhania powder. Little bit of garam masala if you want. Drain the water from the rice that I had soaked and add this to the masala. Mix up the rice and masala, stir it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then add double the amount of water of the rice that you have added. If it is 2 cups, then around 4 cups of water. If it is 3 cups, then 6 cups of water. I am going to add 3 cups of water with little more, half more, because I want them not to become very soft. I have added water, 3.5 cup and little more, but less than 4 cups. Now keep it on high flame and cover it. Now the water has reduced, so I am going to add the mushrooms and tofu to this, which I have washed and placed it in this channi. Little peas I have added to give it a color. You can add palak ke patte, you can add dhania to give it a little green color. Now you can see that the water is absorbed by the rice, so I am going to reduce the flame and then keep it on slow flame for 5 minutes. I am getting very good aroma of lasan and nariyal and rice. Feeling hungry, lovely. See, the water is almost soaked, but the rice needs to be done little more. Mix it up nicely and again cover it. Keep it on slow flame only. Take 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, depending how sour you like it, of tamarind juice and add this to the rice. Mix it up, cover it and keep it for another 2 minutes and then put off the gas. My rice is ready. ये थोड़ा थोड़ा sticky होता है because it has coconut and all in it, and it is doing the work of gravy also. It is very very yummy, very tasty. खट्टा भी है, नमकीन भी है, and there is lot of aroma और स्वाद भी है. Do make this rice and let me know how it is. Thank you for watching my video. I am a rice lover, so I can make a lot of varieties because I love rice. So I keep on experimenting how to make what. The other day I had made tomato rice, that had also come out very tasty. The family was licking their fingers. This though, you will go on licking the patila. It is so tasty. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and let me know what all you would like me to add more. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Do make this recipe and let me know how it is. Watch the video till the end. Thank you. Have a good day. Do get vaccinated when your time comes and help in not spreading coronavirus by taking care of your coughs and colds, by drinking kada and taking medication and not mixing and mingling with the people without a mask and keeping social distance. Thank you. God bless you. I hope things get back to normal soon. Thank you everybody. Have this rice with papad. You can have it with Amritsari papad. It tastes very good because वो spicy होता है. Or you can have it with rice papads and little bit of pickle if you want and onion. But as it is, even if you don't have anything at all, no chutney, nothing, it is very very delicious. Thank you for watching my video. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Do subscribe to my channel.